In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a KDP book cover in Canva, Full Guide 2026. To get started, the first thing you need to do is determine your book's trim size. This is important because your cover dimensions depend on the final size of the printed book. Some common KDP sizes include 6 by 9 inches, 5.5 by 8.5, 8.C by 11, and 7 by 10. Along with trim size, your final cover dimensions will also depend on your page count, the paper type you choose, whether white or cream, and whether your book uses bleed settings. Once you know that information, go to KDP's cover calculator. Enter your interior type, paper type, page count, and trim size, then generate and download the cover template. This template is very helpful because it shows you the front cover, the spine, the back cover, along with the safe zones and bleed areas. In other words, it gives you the exact layout you need to design accurately. Next, open Canva and create a new design using custom size. Here, you want to enter the full cover dimensions provided by the KDP calculator, not just the front cover size. For paperback books, you need the entire wraparound layout so the front, spine, and back all fit correctly. After that, upload the KDP template image into Canva. Place it on your canvas and stretch it so it fits exactly. Then lower the transparency to around 40 to 50% and lock the layer. This makes it easier to design on top of the template while still seeing the safe areas, which helps prevent text or graphics from getting cut off. Now you can begin designing the front cover. Add your title and make sure it is large, readable, and high contrast. If you have a subtitle, keep it smaller than the title but still easy to understand. Then add the author name, usually near the top or bottom, in a style that matches the rest of the design. You'll also want a main graphic, such as a photo, illustration, AI-generated image, or Canva element. The goal is for the cover to clearly communicate the book's genre or topic at a glance. If your book has enough pages for a visible spine, design that next. Add the book title and author name, and center the text carefully within the spine boundary A's shown on the template. Then move to the back cover. This usually includes a short book description, and optionally an author bio and author photo. Be sure to leave the barcode area blank, since KDP adds that automatically during printing. When your design is finished, hide or delete the template layer. Double check that all text stays inside the safe zones and that nothing extends beyond the bleed area by mistake. Finally, export the cover by going to Share, then Download, and choosing PDF Print. Enable crop marks and bleed if needed, then download the file. After that, upload it to your KDP book project, go to the book cover section, launch the cover previewer, and fix any issues that appear.